Hello guys, my name is Parvi Adam and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you if you guys have created your profile on Trustpilot account and you guys are suffering for your account verification, or if you are suffering for if you are facing a struggle with the account claim process. So I have a solution for these circumstances. So I can going to show you how I have did it. Okay, so once you guys can access your profile dashboard, so there is an option to you guys have to click for the public profile setup. Okay, so there is you guys have to add your basic information about the company logo and the other things and after that you guys have to add your company description, and and after that you guys are if you guys are facing a problem with the account claim process or the verification, so there is a option to verify company details. Okay, so first you have to provide proof of identity. If you guys are having your company identity proof or kind of your company pan card or company GST number, so then you guys have to provide over there, then you guys can able to verify your profile. Okay, secondary is option to you guys have to verify using your Google My Business account. So if your company having a particular address, so make sure 100% you guys have to created your GMB profile, Google My Business profile. So which Gmail account you guys have to created your company GMB, so you guys have to log in your Trustpilot account on your GMB profile, GMB Gmail ID, where GMB, where GMB Gmail ID, where you guys have to access your Trustpilot account, company account, and then you guys have to came with the company verify company details section, and there is an option you guys have to click once. Then these Trustpilot account can redirect with the your Gmail ID, GMB Gmail ID, where you guys can acknowledge all the things. Then you guys are able. Then Trustpilot account can verify your public profile. Okay, so these steps we have followed for all accounts, all the businesses accounts. So uh, I was decided to I can share with you guys, so you guys how you guys can verify your Trustpilot account. So these are the simple process, so you guys can verify your Trustpilot account. And after that also you guys can facing some problems, so you guys have to let me know and I will going to help you how you guys can solve your problems individually. If is required, then I can going to also be with you guys. Okay, and other information you guys can fill, but the main purpose of this video creation, how you guys can verify company details. So there is an option you guys have to choose with the verification GMB my Google My Business account verified and synced. So these steps you guys have to follow, then your Trustpilot account going to approve now, publicly approve now. Okay, so I hope you guys are watching till end. So thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, you are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, so I can also provide my social details on a description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys, if you guys can want to help me something, or if I am doing something valuable for you, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. Okay, so okay, bye bye, take care.